Good morning children, open your social studies. In previous class I explained the climate of our country. So there are three climates I said, summer season, rainy season and winter season. These three main seasons we are experiencing this in our country. So see children, in one by one we have to study. Summer season. The summer season begins from the middle of the March and the continue till end of the June. मार्च से लेकर जून तक समर सीजन हम एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं. इन नॉर्दर्न इंडिया द टेम्परेचर राइज स्लोली एंड बाय मे इट बिकम्स वेरी हॉट. जून इज द हॉटेस्ट मंथ एंड द हीट बिकम्स unbearable because of the hot and dry winds called low, which blow over the whole of northern India. Such heat waves are common in a state like Bihar, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. In summer, the days are longer than nights. Days are very longer than the nights, and dust storms are also very common during this season. In the summer season, Bihar, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, in this state they are feeling very hot, and days are very longer and nights are very short, and in whole the day dust storms are also very common in that area. So see children, so that's why summer season का fruits कौन सा है देखो. Mangoes and lychees are summer fruits. This summer season fruits we can eat. These seasonal fruits when we are eating na, the body will protect from the sun rays. So see next, what do you do escape the heat of summer? You visit hill stations because they have a cooler climate. We have to visit the cooler place, like which cooler place we are visit. See, and name 5 such places. Which are that cooler places? Khandala, Simla, Ooty, Manali, Nainital. These 5 names are written here, but you have to write any 5 cooler place name. So write here, and then name one cool drink that you usually have a crunchy your thirsty. आपको आपकी thirsty ये करने के लिए कौन सा drink आप पीते हैं? That is what is the good for our health. Which drink we have to eat? So in easily available in the market now, Coca-Cola that are very harmful drinks that you don't drink. You have to drink the homemade drinks, like whatever Indian culture they are preparing now drinks that you must drink. And then name one activity you like doing the most during this season. In the summer season, which activity you are doing in the summer season? Anyone, your favorite activity name you have to mention here. And then South India is less hot and more humid. This is because it is surrounded by the sea. On 3 sides, the cool sea breezes makes the coastal area cooler. Some parts even receive heavy rainfall towards the end of the summer season. अभी देखो इंडिया में in these north side states, north side people they are feeling very hot in the summer season. In these southern country states are feeling very cool, mostly in coastal areas, those who are living in this coastal area. Why they are feeling cool? Because these 3 sides of water is covered by our country. In this nearest those people are living, they are feeling very cool in summer also. And also sometime there we can see the heavy rainfall also. समर सीजन में रेनफॉल भी होता है इधर. नेक्स्ट rainy season. The rainy season starts in June and in some parts of India it begins in July. The rains continue till the end of the October. जून से लेकर अक्टूबर तक रेनी सीजन रहता है. मोस्टली some states they are some side we can see in a country from July to they start the rainy season. During these months moisture laden winds blow from the sea towards the land. These winds are called the monsoon winds. Monsoon winds, monsoon winds means which winds are blowing towards the sea. sea की वाटर की वजह से वो सब जगह पे वो winds आता है ना, उसको मानसून विंड्स बोलते हैं. एज दे केसेस रेनफॉल ऑल्सो समटाइम रेनफॉल ऑल्सो कमिंग. रेनफॉल उसकी वजह से ही रेनफॉल होता है. दीज विंड्स ब्लो फ्रॉम द अरेबियन सी एंड द बे ऑफ बंगाल. दीज विंड्स फर्स्ट रीच द मलबार कोस्ट in the June and by mid-July they brings rain almost the whole of the India. First they in the Malabar coast, either Bay of Bengal and Arabic Ocean. So in these oceans when the winds are blowing, that small little here is rainfall heavy here start in a June only, and after July that winds only comes here in this country. That time we are feeling very so we are experience rainy season in the July. These winds blow from the Arabian Sea I said, and then these winds first reach the Malabar coast. Malabar coast that is comes in coastal area. June and mid July they brings rain almost whole of India. Mosaram in Meghalaya gets the heaviest rainfall in India. The desert area of Rajasthan and the Kutch is Rajasthan receive very little rainfall. The coastal area of Maharashtra, Kerala and Goa receive heavy rainfall. The mountain region gets a very heavy rainfall and the rivers get flooded. This indicates that the rainfall is distributed unevenly. Some parts of the India get a more and other parts get a less or almost no rainfall. The average annual rainfall in a country in 120 centimeters. Totally now see here children in this our country. Here is Meghalaya. There is heavy rainfall. Here is Rajasthan. Here is less rainfall, and some of the states they are not having the any rainfall. So less rainfall, no rainfall. So here less rainfall, heavy rainfall in this coastal area, that Kerala, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala. In this coastal area people they are feeling very heavy rainfall they are receiving. Sometimes these cases that area is surrounded by the water, that case we are feel flooded area. And then totally our India is total average rainfall. Annual average rainfall, what is that? 120 centimeter rainfall is our country feel. The coast of Tamil Nadu or Coromandala coast receives rainfall between November and January. November लेके जनवरी तक उधर रेन भी होता है. In that season we are feeling winter season or not, in that November. So November to January in Coromandala and Tamil Nadu they receive rainfall also. And then from June to September this coast remains dry. Rainy season is a very important for Indian agriculture because our farmers are depend upon the agriculture. That's why rainfall is very important of our country. A good rainfall makes the soil fertile, and however on the contrary heavy rain cases flood and the little or rain cases dropped. अभी बहुत सारे हम बहुत सारी बरसात की वजह से इन दैट एरिया they are suffer from the flood, and where they are not rainfall, there they are suffer by the drought. So understood. So a few places in the India are also affected by cyclone during this season. cyclone भी होता है उसमें, क्योंकि on that Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, on that ocean, sometimes they are winds are blows very fast. So see, in winter season, by the end of the October, the days get shorter and the nights become longer. In summer season, days are longer, nights are shorter. But in the winter season, days are shorter, nights are longer. That opposite only. And due to the slanting rays of the sun, the temperature also changes. The air becomes cooler. The winter season begins in the middle of the November से चालू होता है winter season and goes to till February. That November to February it's continue. This is called a climate. This is called climate, not a weather, because this is a long period. That's why we say climate. Which climate? Winter season in that. And December and the January are very cold, especially in the north and central India. North side और central India में जो state रहते हैं ना, they are feeling very cool. Sometimes snowfall also. During this time the coastal area enjoy the very nice and pleasant weather. There in the coastal area, those people are living on that coastal area, they are enjoying the weather. And strong winds from the west called the western disturbances. In that strong winds in west called the western disturbances cases rainfall in the plains and the snowfall in the mountains. Rainfall भी होता है और snowfall भी होता है in that states. This is the time when the weather becomes extremely cold and foggy. In the winter season we can see the foggy and cool, very cold. अभी दिल्ली में हो रहा है, मिस्ट की वजह से सब जगह पे जाने के लिए आने के लिए बहुत तकलीफ हो रहा है ना, ऐसे उस विंटर सीजन में हम फील कर सकते हैं. एंड ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स, peas, carrots, orange and apples are seen in the market during this time. You have to visit the market and just see which vegetables we can see. Leafy vegetables are plenty of leafy vegetables, green peas, carrots. These are all we can see in the market. And during this time, at this time, Tamil Nadu gets its share of rain. And then in India, we also experience two other seasons. Three main seasons I explained. Which that summer, rainy and winter. These are the main seasons. With this, spring and autumn. Before the summer set in, we have spring season, and during this time the climate is cool and pleasant. We see new leaves and different flowers all around us. Just after the rainy season, we have autumn. Trees shed their leaves during this time. इसका पत्ते झड़ते हैं जब ऑटोमन सीजन में. एंड स्प्रिंग सीजन में हम सब जगह पे beautiful flowers we can see in our surrounding, and leaves also very greenish. Understood, children? So this you have to read and send your homework to me.